evening everyone. My name is Mamta Patel. Today's date is 22 April 2024. In this video topic, we will discuss the arrays in the Java. In the Java, the array the in the Java the Java introduced the array concept. Actually, what is the array? Array means it is stored the similar data type. It is stored the similar data type, and it is the continuous memory. Continuous memory means it store in a line. It's not store in anywhere in the memory. It can store in the memory, line by line, or the in the sequence format, and it can store the similar data type and it can store the similar data types. The actual definition in the Java, the array is collection of the similar data types. In the Java that is used to the operation, insert the element, retrieve the element, and search the element, and search the particular elements. In the Java, the array can store the primitive data types only, like integer data types, like char data types, and string data types, and it cannot be stored the non-primitive data types, because it is already array is the non-primitive data types, non-primitive data type, so it can store only the primitive data types. The advantages is the array list. Array is the code optimize means it can reduce the execution of the long time in it reduce the execution of the long time of the code execution, because it can store the similar data types in a continuous memory. So that's why accessing the element, it can very short time. So it is the one of the advantage in the array. The next one advantage is the retrieving the element is the very fast as compared to the other non-primitive data types, like a string. It is accessing very fast as compared to the other primitive data types, because it is the accessing based on their index, and in the array it can perform the all operations there based on the indexes. Index The array starting from the index from the 0 to whatever their array length, it can all perform the based on the indexes, like inserting the particular element on their index number, and delete and remove the element from the array that can perform the based on the index number, and retrieve the particular element. Retrieve the particular element are possible element Retrieve the element possible on their index. So index is the very important component in the array. So it can array in the array, index is the play very important role. We can see the one example in the array. It can simple example is the insert the given element in the array. Given the one array, int a is equal to 1 2 3, 5 is the given number, and the next element is the 6 7 8. We can insert the 5 in the fourth index. We can implement the for loop for int I is equal to 0, because the indexing is start from the 0. So that's why So that's why indexing is I is equal to 0, I is less than a dot length and I plus plus. If a of if a of I if a of if a of if it can insert the element in the array. It can it can insert method you can use in the array, use in the array, and sys out we can print the array a of I. So it can give the output 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the simple example of the array. Thank you. It is all about the array in the Java. Thank you.